Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Amazon Shopping. You will enter to settings. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above, you will search about Amazon Shopping and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store, you will search about Amazon Shopping, you will update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and